masyadong kilala yung iba. No? So very balanced itong liga na to. So most of the teams have homegrowns like in what's interviewed kanina, like Marikina ata, parang 16 yung homegrowns nila. So very exciting. So new faces, new valuable players, and hopefully makapag-inspire kami ng other LGUs and other players to join us.
Super excited, super thankful sa mga pioneering teams kasi I know super exceed lang din yung time, preparation, pero the teams, lalo na yung 8 teams now, committed to join and to participate. Please support MPBA and please watch all the games in Channel 98, into all platforms in Plus Network, as well as the social media platforms of MPBA and Plus Network.
Well, sobrang excited. Yung nabanggit ko kanina, to be honest, medyo umalis, may iniwan akong pro team para lang maging part ng first season ng MPBA. So, sobrang excited ako. Lalong-lalo na sa team ko. Very experienced yung makakalaban namin, pero very confident naman ako kasi since last year pa kami magkakasama. So, ang aking advantage siguro dito is medyo din ang kami nagkakapa. May sistema na kami and medyo kilala ko na lahat ng players ko.
We were very excited po kasi yung team po kasi namin, which is yung Negros po, school-based po siya. More on mga student athletes lang po. And excited po kami kasi makakalaban po namin ngayon yung mga ex-pros po, ganyan, mga naglalaro po sa NCAA and sa UAAP. And we expect very competitive teams po na makakaharap po namin na pinagandaan din po namin for the last few months po for Maharlika.
And syempre sa amin, sobrang excited kami lalo na doon sa effort na ginagawa ni Mayor Rosco Plaza and coaching staff, pati na rin yung players. So sa amin, yung first tournament na to, na sasalihan ng team, is magiging memorable talaga for us. Kasi alam naman natin na kung sino yung unang magti-champion sa unang tournament, yun yung hindi mo makakalimutan. So yun yung goal namin for this conference.